Sri Lanka etched itself in the annals of tennis history recently when the International Tennis Federation conferred Jagath Valikala with the ITF Coach of the Year award. This is the first time any Sri Lankan has received this extremely prestigious award in more than a century of tennis history in this country. And he got this award not simply because he is a phenomenal coach, but because of his contribution to the development of wheelchair tennis. Jagath has a long history with tennis, not only as a coach but as a tournament director, and it was in 2002 that he began coaching wheelchair tennis. And that's not all. He has coached the wheelchair tennis Paralympian team for every Paralympics Games since 2004. He also served on the World Coaches Commission in 2010, the only Sri Lankan to do so. Today in our studio is Jagath Valikala on Prime Group Kaleidoscope, Selinco Life. Let's talk. Welcome Jagath, good to have you on the show. Now you've been a tennis coach for decades and coached some of Sri Lanka's greats, but what actually pushed you into wheelchair tennis?
It was quite accidentally. The Sri Lanka Tennis Federation had organized a wheelchair coaching program and the foreign lecturer came down to initiate the program. And when he came to Sri Lanka, and the Sri Lanka army had sent 300 disabled soldiers, and he just said, I don't know what to do with it. So then I was there, and then he called me and said that whether I can volunteer to help him. That's how it's all started.
Without actually being in a wheelchair itself, how do you put yourself in the wheelchair tennis player's shoes, so to speak?
It was the first couple of weeks I was trying to explain and demonstrate different strokes, but then I realized that without being in a wheelchair you can't demonstrate. So it took me about 6 months and I trained hard, and in the wheelchair itself I played and I beat all of them. Then I said, okay, now it's your turn to beat me.
So you actually got yourself into a wheelchair?
Yes, I was in a wheelchair for 6 months. I trained with the players.
Besides the obvious challenge of being in a wheelchair, what are the other challenges that these wheelchair tennis players face?
The main challenges the Sri Lankan players have is about the mobility, because they are not in a wheelchair the whole day. All the other disabled, paralyzed players, they are permanently wheelchair players. So they are very strong on their mobility. That's my main problem. So that they are there 24 hours, their hands are moving. So that is the thing I'm working on now, mobility.
So you have been coaching the Paralympian wheelchair tennis players since 2004. What exactly in all that time, how exactly has wheelchair tennis changed?
The main change has not been the game, it has been the wheelchair. I can remember the first wheelchair, we weighed it when we started, it was about 17 kilos. And presently the new wheelchair is 3.5 kilos. So I think the main change has been not the game, but the technology of the wheelchair.
Do you think there are adequate facilities for wheelchair tennis players?
Facilities are there, but unfortunately in this part of the world, we don't have tournaments. Now for this year, in Sri Lanka, the Asian region, they have only 3 Sri Lankan tournaments. But in Europe, they had more than 50 tournaments. So that's the biggest drawback I'm facing. Not having international tournaments in Asia where they can get their ranking points.
So what's next on your agenda? Where are you going with wheelchair tennis?
Next is the Asian Games. We are hoping to get a medal in the Asian Games. Actually, last year we got funds from I was in the high performance squad of the sports ministry, and we have got funds to travel. So I think that will make a big difference in the future.
Thank you, Jagath. It's truly fascinating how you have helped over 100 wheelchair tennis players to reach their potential. And like you told me a little while ago, most of them are all married. How rewarding. That was the International Tennis Federation's Coach of the Year, Jagath Valikala on Selinco Life. Let's talk. You can watch Kaleidoscope with Savitri Rodrigo on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. And once you've watched us, press like and subscribe or follow us too.
We are here to better your lives and champion your every goal. With 12 billion rupees worth of customer benefits in 2020 and a life insurance fund worth over 100 billion rupees, our strength is your strength. You focus on your goals. We will take care of the risks. Selinco Life.